everybody, my name is Kiss Kitty, and today I'm bringing a new series to my channel, and it is called Cat Games. Yes, so every week, every Sunday, I will be playing 2 different cat games, and you can put them in the if you want to see me play a cat game, you can put it in the comments, but let's get started with this, shall we? So I already have 2 games, and then so basically what I'm going to do is play 2 cat games, and then we're going to go to Neck-Lettuce-Nume and see how cats are doing there. So let us begin the new series, episode 1. I'll be right back. Hello. Hello, really? Okay, sorry. That was just a weird name. Hello? Okay, so the first game that we are playing is called PolitiCats. It's like politics, PolitiCats? I don't know. But we're gonna select a cat. Let's go. Arrow would just that cat, or that cat, or that cat. I wanna try to find a cat that's like I want that one. This is the cat. Okay, my cat's name is Fat Cat. Okay, well, her name is Kit Kat, but we call her Fat Cat. That Kit Kat is her name, but Fat Cat, actually, do I want to call it Fat Cat? Okay, her name is Kit Kat, but we call her Fat Cat, so there we go. Then, what is this? I like cat. We want cat. Cat power. Cat. Cat's the one. Cuck. Okay. Cutest cats for all. There we go. I don't know. There we go. That's what I'm gonna go for. I don't know. Oh, we're just clicking. Click. Oh my god. The class president is a, hamster or a guinea pig. Do we just click this? What is this? There we go. Could just hit X. Do we just sit here and tap it? Cat lady. Oh my god, we got a cat lady. Do we really just sit here and tap it all day? I was looking for more pizzazz, but now that I know we just sit here. Oh god, no. Let's go, come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did I win? Oh, I won! Yay. Oh, now I gotta beat him, dang it. See, what do we need? Need that. 5 more. Keep clicking that. Okay. Let's go. Need to tap for our lives. Do we really just sit here and do this? Okay. I love this game. This is. Oh. There we go. The present. Oh. Are we going against him now or no? Oh, here we go. Tap. Yes. One. What's the spin? Oh, we got the spin. I'll be right back. I'm gonna watch this video. Okay, I watched the video and we're gonna spin it. Here we go, spin, spin, spin. Times 2. Okay, do we want to watch another video? Yes, we do. No, we don't. Okay. Yes. Okay. Spin it. Times. There we go. Back. And I think we're gonna go against one more and then we are going to buy her. There we go. What's the next one? Got a volunteer up in here. So we're gonna go against the bird and then we're gonna go to the next game. Keep clicking. I'll go. Oh god, no 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 no. Oh god, oh god, oh god, no! I'm losing. I lost. Okay. Well anyways guys, I'll be right back with the next game. Okay, I am back with the next game called Cat Evolution, so tap it and we're gonna go. I've played one of the evolutions before, so I kind of know when you put two identical cats together, they mutate. Looks like a regular cat though. Okay, let's go. Now we're just waiting. We're waiting. And we got a new cat. A boxing. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Okay. We need 2 more boxes. Can we upgrade this? Yes. Collect my. Okay, 1 more. Then we can get a new one. Yay. Oh. Meow. Okay. What is this? Oh, this is where you buy more diamonds. Oh, the dressing room. I don't have anything. Oh, I want that. I want that bow with glasses. That would look cute. Okay. I'll be right back when we have another new evolution. Okay, we're almost there for another one, and here it is. And you can also tap the cats to get poop. So, yeah. Basically collecting their poop. There. Boom. And I... Okay, and then I'll be back with another evolution. Okay, I am back with the last evolution we're gonna look for. There. There we go. The porcupine. Okay. Now, next we are gonna go to Neck Lettuce. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm with the last thing that we're going to do today. And so that is Nekurasume. So before we start every video, I'm going to feed them, and then, which I always do, and then I'm going to come back after we play the 2 games, and we're going to look at what cats came. So we have pickles. So we have pickles, we have socks, we have Gabriel, and we have Breezy. So now we're going to take pictures of the cat. Save that to the out. There. Save. Yes. Save. And there we go. Now we are going to go. We don't have any gifts. I mean, no like money or anything. We could go. Let's see if they put a new picture in here. No, they didn't. That's sad. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this first episode to the new series. I hope to see you in the next one. So please leave a like and subscribe and comment down below what cat game you want to see next. So if it's cat game, I'll probably play it. So anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye!